SPAY is one of the best platform I can recommend to all the course creators because it seamlessly integrates all Indian payment gateways and the external gateways also.
I don't want to break my head with technology, jargons, and I don't want to confuse myself with too many technology choices. I would rather use SPAY.com.
I really want to, thank SPAY for their thought process. The best part of SPAY is we have onboarded our entire schooling process, especially during this pandemic. Currently, more than 400 plus children are now doing their learning on the SPAY app, and everybody is confidently onboarded. So that's about 1,000 plus adults, includes parents and teachers and children.
One big challenge I have faced in my coaching business and all my students is a membership site which can integrate Indian payment gateway and automate the whole login ID and password process for Indian customers. And number two, can I convert this online membership site into a mobile app? I have searched everywhere in the world until I found out SPAY. They help you in creating your website, they have personalized care, and more than that, their mobile app both in Android and iOS is absolutely fantastic support. Okay, so thereby it helps any coaches or online course creators to focus on their selling rather than the technology side of it. So I strongly recommend SPAY for any online course creator or coach or a trainer to use SPAY.com as their membership site and grow their business.
I have taught online using Teachable.com. I have invested huge amount of money and effort on Kajabi.com. I've also tried some WordPress plugins like LearnDash and things like that. None of these gave me what I am now using, SPAY.com. I love this software. I'm running 4 different schools on this. What I love about SPAY.com is their instant service. I remember about 3 weeks ago, there was some problem for accessing my websites. And I sent a message to their team. Within 10 minutes, I got a response. This was on a Sunday. And that's the kind of service that a teacher loves.
The systems, the processes are absolutely fantastic, and any place we have a doubt, we get clarity or we get an update. That's the best part of these guys. And here's a cheeky one. In case if you're considering to go for this particular subscription, one of the best things that happens in the SPAY most advanced plan, which I am on, is the aspect of white labeling your app and the learning process. A lot of other companies have all kinds of nonsense creeping in. They have limitations. They have plenty of hidden messages or hidden tactics and strategies to first lure you with good offers and then trap you later with a lot of nonsense. If there is a solution or a resolution needed, and even if there's a confusion, they even sorted out certain things for us. My novel ways of communication to appreciate this entire team behind how the SPAY app works. Today, if you go and explore SPAY, I'm on the highest plan and I love it. And I would naturally recommend this for everyone possible because they really deliver what they have placed there. And I love the service too.
What are you waiting for? Sign up now. Log on to www.spay.com.